Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Pragya, an artist and founder of PS Creates. So in today's video, we will be learning the basics of brush calligraphy and fox calligraphy. Brush calligraphy is a form of calligraphy which is done using brush pens or any other regular brushes. On the other hand, we have fox or fake calligraphy which is done using any pen or pencil to imitate the effect of calligraphy. The main difference is brush calligraphy needs fancy tools such as brush pens, but fox calligraphy can be done using any pen or pencil. I hope you guys are clear with the main difference. Now we will move forward with the basic strokes. A stroke which goes up with a light pressure and is thin is known as upstroke, and a stroke which comes downward with a heavy pressure and is thick is known as downstroke. For example, here I am writing the letter A using brush calligraphy as well as fox calligraphy. Now this is your homework to find out the upstroke and the downstroke in the letter A. Till then, let's move forward with the remaining strokes. The next stroke is shaped U, in which heavy pressure downstroke comes down till middle of the U and slowly going upwards like a upstroke. This stroke is called the underturn stroke. The next stroke is the overturn stroke, in which we start from the light pressure from the bottom and slowly curving it into the thick pressure, which is the downstroke. Next stroke is the combination of underturn stroke and the overturn stroke, which is known as the compound curve. It starts with the upstroke, then downstroke and then upstroke. So the main thing to remember is whether it's underturn stroke, overturn stroke or the compound curve, the strokes which you are making should be parallel to each other. Next stroke is a bit tough, which is an oval. The stroke starts at the middle with the upstroke, then curving it into the downstroke and then completing the whole circle with the upstroke again. Making an oval stroke perfectly takes a lot of practice and hard work, so just don't lose hope and practice every day. The next one is the ascending loop. In this, we start at the middle, making a loop and then coming downwards with a heavy pressure. Now this stroke is the opposite of ascending loop, which is known as the descending loop. The stroke starts with a heavy pressure from the top, slowly coming down and making a loop in the middle using an upstroke. And the last stroke is the comma dot. It's a super easy and helpful stroke. In this, you have to start with the downstroke and slowly making it up to the upstroke. In order to learn any type of calligraphy like brush calligraphy, fox calligraphy or dip pen calligraphy, you just need to know the basics, that is the upstroke and the downstroke. All other strokes are also important, but these two are really main important strokes. I've shown you an example of brush calligraphy as well as fox calligraphy by writing the word minimum, which has the number of upstrokes and downstrokes. I hope you are clear with the basic difference and the strokes. My next video would be about how to join these basic strokes and form alphabets. Till then, let's take a small look to what we have learned today, and don't forget to watch till the end because it's a motivational quote waiting for you. And in the end, I just want you guys to start learning today. You just need a paper and pencil to start off and not expensive supplies. So what are you waiting for? Opportunity is in front of you. Go grab it and good luck. Thanks for watching guys. Do like, share and comment on this video and follow me on Instagram and Facebook for more updates. Toodles!